car, a truck, a boat, a buggy, a drift car, whatever, you must always break in the engine first. Now, many people actually get confused with breaking in the engine. They think that you're breaking the engine, literally, so you have to go and buy a new one. In fact, breaking in the engine simply means to do 5 tank standard braking procedure so make your engine last longer. The first tank, actually, we will do in a moment. We're going to go out and we're going to break in the ACME Monster T truck with the Team Infinity 18 engine, and actually the first tank you will just leave it singing on a very nice rich setting. The second tank, drive very, very slowly in 8 circles. That doesn't mean do 8 circles, that actually means drive in the figure of 8 circles. The third tank actually is a straight run with more speed, the same as the fourth tank. And finally, on the fifth tank, you can take full speed and actually you can see how your truck performs. Might need to tune it. That's running too rich, so it's flooding it. So if we just lean it out 1/8 on the high end, like that. Now try. Yeah. That's it, about there, that's enough. So second tank, no more than about quarter throttle on this one. Whoa! You got the brake, yeah?
Hey?
You got the brake, yeah?
Yeah, that's the opposite way.
Yeah. Pulling a bit.
Yeah, it is bad.
That's about right, isn't it? It's very tempting, isn't it? But just think, if you do that, it's another like couple of months off your life with the engine. Oh.
Oh, shit. I thought it went the wrong way.